Oh my god, it's red lights galore, red lights galore. I tell you, every bloody time a red light. I'm not happy with this. Every light I've hit tonight, a red light. You've got to be joking. Not good, not good. That is some bullshit. Nah, not happy with that. Oh, by the way, that fish and chip shop, 15th Ave takeaways, there's some killer fish and chips there. Full show. What is up, YouTube? It's Vinny here from Roadblast Media, and today we're going to be doing a bit of a motovlog. It's a night ride on the old Interceptor 650. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do so. I think we're at about 140 now, and yeah, so thank you to all my subscribers so far. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting more people on the channel. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Join the Roadblast Media movement. So yeah, what's been going on lately is me and the old man have been talking, and we're finally gonna get some aftermarket pipes for the Interceptor 650. So because of that, I'm actually going to put it to the commenters and all of you lovely subscribers and people who watch my videos to give out some recommendations. So we're thinking S&S, but there's also some other options out there. I've heard Roo Racing is quite good, as well as there's another one called Tech something, I think. And yeah, so give me some recommendations on what you guys think the best slip-on pipes are for the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. As well as that, we will be getting an S&S air filter, which will just help the responsiveness of the bike a bit and make it a little bit more enjoyable to ride. I don't know how you would exactly do that because it's already a beauty, but if there's any way to make this thing any better than what it is, then we're definitely going to go for it. So yeah, I'm out tonight. It's an absolutely beautiful night for a ride. I thought, why not? We'll go through town, see what the nightlife is like, see if there's any hooligans out, and yeah, we'll just go for a bit of a cruise. This is actually the first time I think I've taken the Enfield out at night time, which is quite interesting. So I'm really actually liking the backlit dash here. It looks beautiful. It's a nice little addition. They kept it classic, but still looking quite modern, which is really cool. So yeah, bit of news. A few of you have commented and told me to just sell my KTM and get a Royal Enfield because I love these bikes so much. And I've been giving it some thought, and I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to put my KTM RC390 up for sale, and I'm going to buy a Continental GT. So let me know what you guys think about the Continental GT, if it's a cool bike. You know, obviously it's got the same power plant as the Interceptor, but a bit of a different riding position. Obviously I'm a bit more into the sportier riding position, as I'm still young, so my back has still got a bit of life left in it. I might as well go for the more sporty option, as well as the old man has the cruiser option, so I can do that when I can use this bike when I feel like it. But I am seriously considering getting a Continental GT. So if anybody's out there and you want to buy a RC390 used and it's been pretty well taken care of, I've done all the maintenance it needs. It only has about 5,000 Ks on the clock. It has the Akropovich slip-on, and it sounds pretty cool. It's really quick and nice, likes to go fast around a corner. But I have officially been bitten by the Royal Enfield bug, so I will be I will be getting a Continental GT hopefully soon, and I'll be doing a lot of content with that. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because that'll be really cool. I'll do a bit of a comparison video with this bike, so hopefully that can happen pretty soon. I'll get the RC up for sale, and yeah, we'll hopefully get a Continental GT into the Roadblast Media family. And that's just, you know, that'll tie me through quite well until I get my full license, which then I will possibly be buying a Yamaha MT-09, because I need to get that hooligan blood out of my system before I settle down and go into my older age. But so yeah, I'm just out cruising. This place is called Gate Park. If you haven't seen my other Enfield motor vlog, there's KFC surprisingly empty tonight. It's a Friday night though, so I'm guessing everybody's out drinking. So yeah, we're just blasting through town. This is Tauranga City. It's a really cool city. It's quite empty, you know, but there's actually quite a few cars out tonight, surprisingly. The population of this city is, I think, if I can recall, last time I checked, is at like 180,000. It's quite a big area, so it's not a very big population. We somehow still managed to get traffic. I don't really know how, but that's just how it is. But yeah, we're just cruising down the road on the beautiful Interceptor, and I have to say, this thing is just amazing to ride at night. It really kind of fits in, you know. You got the shiny chrome and the street lights are like shining off it. Looks really cool, and I love this dash setup, man. It's so clear and easy to read. I really love what they've done. The backlighting on it is so beautiful. It's such a nice, like, it's just a soft white, and it looks just so classy and professional. But yeah, no, this is an absolutely beautiful night. It's not too cold. I'm wearing the Oxford Kevlar shirt, and this thing is absolutely amazing. I'd recommend. There's a person who commented on one of my other videos asking about it, and I thought I'd do a little talk about it. It's a great little, like, it's a shirt basically. It's very thin, but it's made of Kevlar, so it's really strong and protects you quite well. It also has inserts for pads if you want to chuck them in there, but it's a really nice lightweight jacket that you know, is surprisingly windproof as well, so it makes for a very good time. Great jacket. I'd recommend it. I think they set you back probably about 180 New Zealand dollars. Didn't want to put you through the grueling wait for the green light, so I just cut that out. So yeah, we're just cruising through the town, doing a bit of a motovlog. That's how we roll in the old Road Blast media, the old Road Blast motovlog. And yeah, no, it's yeah. So what have you guys been up to? I am so stoked with how the channel's been going. I think we're reaching up to 15,000 views, and that is just so awesome to me, because I'm just like, I only started doing this like literally like not even 2 months ago. I think maybe it's just breaching on the old Road Blast Media 2-month anniversary. But no, I'm super stoked with how the channel's going. 140 subscribers. It might be like 138, but that's all good. My lord, we're getting hit with every red light tonight. But yeah, so as I was saying, 138 subscribers. Thank you guys. Like, that is so dope. Like, I can't believe even that many people want to watch my videos. That's really cool. And a little bit of a shout out, old Ruahini's Rider. You're the man, bro. You've been there since like day one, always commenting on my videos and stuff. So yeah, I'll give you a quick shout out, because man, I do feel the support, and it's dope you giving me all that advice coming from your Enfield, and you getting parts for it. It's inspired me to get a Continental GT, and also because I think it was your comment actually, old Ruahini's Rider, that recommended I sell the KTM and get an Enfield. So I'm going to take you up on that, and I'm going to do it. And yeah, also the aftermarket parts, you've got some good inspiration there, some good inspiration, so shot, bro. But yeah, no, the rest of you guys as well who've been commenting and giving me support and giving me advice and everything like that, it's super wicked. I really love the support and everything like that. So no, I'm very welcoming to all of you. And yeah, so remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. There's going to be some wicked stuff coming soon, and it's only going to get better. You know, it's only going to get better. The more bikes I get, the more content I can make, and I will be doing some rides, you know, out on different roads and things like that very soon. And yeah, it's going to be really awesome. At the moment, it's been sort of tough. I've been sorting out my living situation. Me and my partner will be moving into our own house very soon, so there's a lot going on with that. But so I've been super busy, so I'm still trying to pump out these videos for you guys, and still get the whole grind on and everything done. But yeah, that's just one of these things. Man, I've hit every red light. I'm just gonna leave this one and just sit here and yarn for a bit, because people kind of say I've got the gift of the gab. I'm literally just talking to a microphone at the moment, and I got a camera on my helmet. But you know, that's how we roll. Got these motovlogs going on. Oh yes, we got the green light. I thought I was going to be able to get into town. Doesn't look like it. Hang on, I might be able to... So I want to see what's going on. I want to see if anyone's out of the bars or anything. Might be able to go in the back way. The old fire engines there. The old heroes of Tauranga City. So weird. Oh, what are they doing? This is so new. This literally wasn't here like a week ago. What the heck? But yeah, no, the Royal Enfield, the headlight, this is quite good, isn't it? It seems to work quite well at night time. Like I was like, you know how the whole classic buzz is going, but I was not expecting it to be this sort of bright, because it has that sort of classic look. Alright, I think we're in. We can get into town. Yeah, we're in. It's a lovely looking hotel. Pop down Hamilton Street. Yeah, so that over there, if you can see it, I'm not sure about how good the light is, but that place is called Our Place, and it's like a container village of all these like different little food places. You know, you got like dumplings and burgers and things like that. And yeah, no, it's a wonderful little place. They do like live music and things like that. Yeah. So everybody is out at the bars tonight, it looks like. The COVID restrictions have lifted and people can social distance and get drunk together. But as you know, Vinny's on a motorbike. He's not out at the bars. I'm doing this for you guys. Could be getting on the piss, but I ain't, because I love making videos and talking to the old Road Blast Media crew, the squad, as they say. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If a Continental GT is a good idea. I'm only going to go for the 650. I do really love the look of the classic 500s and the Meteor. I'd love to ride a Meteor. They look really comfortable and like a brilliant little bike to ride, but I just think the 350 is probably a little bit underpowered for me, but the 650 is well more than enough. Oh wow, we even got a train going through town. So it doesn't look like many people are out tonight. Those are some beautiful lights, aren't they? It's quite a quiet one, probably because of all this COVID stuff. Man, this person is really crawling, aren't they? They're just on a little bit of a cruise. See, this is Tauranga City CBD at night. So like one side is like dead, and then one side has all these beautiful lights. And yeah. Collar and Thai, that is a beautiful Thai restaurant. Me and my partner went there for our 5-year anniversary, I think. It's a very lovely restaurant, good price too, and they make lovely Thai food. You know, motorcycle parts and apparel, what the? I did not even know that was there. I'm gonna have to check that out. Maybe they got some good deals. So yeah, in the CBD, it's just like the most motorcycle friendly place, but not so much car friendly. Like, there's barely any parks even at like night time. Look at all this, like they've literally taken away like so many parks. Daytime, like a weekday, you seriously, you'd be driving around for hours just trying to find a car park. Like, that's why motorbikes are so special. You can just fly up onto the footpath and you're all sorted, which is a good one. Oh, abracadabra, that place is so cool. It's done up like a cave, and it does wonderful Turkish food, but they've also got this killer butter chicken that you can get from there, and it is it's not as good as the old Indian traditional restaurants, not gonna lie. They do the best curries. What's your favorite curry? Let me know in the comments. I like a Navratan korma, medium hot. Can't go wrong with the butter chicken, but that's also a bit plain, sort of, you know, whitewashed curry, as they say. But no, the vindaloo is good. Beef vindaloo or a lamb korma, they're lovely. Gotta love a curry. Easily top 3 takeaway food you can get in New Zealand, 100%. The Indian restaurants are just so killer here. Like, everyone, I don't think I've had a bad experience at an Indian restaurant. They're always nice, and every time, I think it's like because if you're just polite to them and stuff, but like they always throw in something extra, you know. You get some poppadoms and some dipping sauce and all that. It's lovely. I always have a great experience. So yeah, what do you think of me getting a Continental GT? Do you recommend it? Also, what exhausts do you recommend us getting? Any other aftermarket parts that you want us to get for the Interceptor will be on their way. There will be a bit of a delay, of course, because of COVID and shipping and things like that. We're going to need to get it from a different country because New Zealand tries to sell exhaust for like $1,100, and I know for a fact if we buy them online we'll get them for a lot cheaper. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, tell your friends about it, share it. This is Vinny from Road Blast Media.